All right, guys, we're doing a new break, and it's a 5-box break of Hit Parade's 2013 Prizm basketball. So you've got 99 boxes in the series, and it's a complete set that they kind of broke down. You've got 3 Prizm cards per box, and one box has got a Giannis, I think PSA 9. So hopefully we can pull one out of here. It's like a $2,000 card. So it's going to be a random team break. Every spot gives you 3 random teams. So Barry's got 2 spots in this. Jonathan C has got 1. Jason L with 1. And then John M's got 6 spots in this one. All right, so first thing we'll do, go ahead and randomize the 30 teams. All right, so we'll mix this up 5 times. So I ended up getting, I've got 2 more of these 5-box breaks that we can do. So I grabbed enough, hopefully we can hit that Giannis. All right, here we go. So Barry, you've got the Pacers, the Jazz, the Mavericks, the Cavs, the Sixers, and the Thunder. Jason's got the Pelicans, the Lakers, and the Heat. John's got the Hawks, the Raptors, the Kings, the Timberwolves, the Nets, the Magic, the Rockets, the Trailblazers, the Wizards, the Hornets, the Suns, Celtics, the Spurs, the Warriors, the Knicks, the Clippers, the Bulls, and the Pistons. And then Jonathan, you've got the Grizzlies, the Nuggets, and then there you go, the Milwaukee Bucks. So Jonathan, see if we can get that Giannis for you. All right, first up, box 95. Basketball's cooled off a little bit over the last couple weeks, but all right, first up we've got Robert Sacre for the Lakers. It's going to be tough to get this to. We've got Lucius Allen for the Bucks, and then a Yao Ming for the Rockets. There's box 1. You're hoping for Lucius Allen, right? All right, this time we got Maurice Harkless for the Magic. Get this thing to. Got Shabazz Muhammad for the Timberwolves, rookie. And then a Dirk for the Mavericks. All right, this one we got 4 cards in this. So we got a Mark Gasol for the Grizzlies. J.J. Hickson for the Nuggets. We got Cantor for the Jazz. And then Isaiah Cannon, HRX rookie for the Rockets. Man, nothing so far. Come on. Never know when you're going to pull something nasty out of this hit parade stuff. Gosh, come on. John, you'll be happy to know we were talking a couple weeks ago about the Luka that you hit in one of these breaks, the PSA 10. It's back down to 1,200, which I think is at least the ballpark you said you sold it for. All right, we got Moultrie for the 76ers. We got an Allen Crabbe for the Trailblazers. And there we go, we got Steph Curry. Nice one there for the Golden State Warriors. All right, last box. Last chance to pull it. All right, here we go. We got Shane Battier for the Heat. Mark Jackson for the Knicks. And then Oscar Robertson for the Cincinnati Royals, which that's going to be a Bucks as well. All right, and that'll do it. So hit a Steph Curry. That's about it. So we'll get those cards in the mail. We'll try this again. I've got a couple more 5-boxers that we can do. So we'll try to hit it on the next time. So if you want to get in on that, Todd at TennskinBreaks.com.